Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to respawn after dying in Minecraft and everything you need to know about respawning. So just keep in mind, you will only respawn where your bed is located at and where you've slept and set a respawn point. So for example, if I simply go ahead and place a bed down, I'm currently in creative mode, so don't mind that. And if I go ahead and try to sleep on it, it is going to go ahead and set a respawn point when I go to survival. So game mode, survival. And now if I try to sleep on it, as you can see, it will simply go ahead and put my respawn point here. As you can see, it says respawn point set. Now all I need to do is just kill myself. It sounds absolutely wrong, but that is about it. When I simply go ahead and do so, then I can simply go ahead and respawn there. So I just heard, yep, I just heard some mobs. So I'm just going to go ahead and go straight to the mob to die. And I'll show you that I'll respawn exactly where the bed is at. This is such a beautiful cave. There you go, more health damage. Come on, guys, where are you? Hey guys, where are you? I can't find these people or these mobs. And I can't run either because my hunger bar is so low. I'm just gonna go ahead and show it to you by dying real quick, okay guys? And I can't get out of here as well. So I need to figure out a way to kill or die. Oh, yep, if I continuously keep jumping from here, I'll definitely die now. All right, watch this, guys, watch this. All right, two more time. And last time, I think. Now, when I die, I'm going to spawn exactly where the bed is at. See, now click on respawn, and there you go. Well, I spawned somewhere else, but normally, oh yeah, it says your home bed was missing or obstructed. That's why I spawned somewhere else. If my bed was still there, then of course I was gonna spawn there. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.